Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Admin Norona. I am from Informatics Study Program, and today I would like to talk you about a computer. My talk is divided into five parts, and first I will talk about definition of computer, and the second I will talk about computer elements, and next I will talk about computer function, and next I will talk about computer components, and finally I will talk about type of computer. Okay, let's do first part. Does anyone know about computer? Yes, everyone know what a computer is. But in this part, I will explain definition of a computer in full. Computer is an electronic device that can be used to process data according to a previously formulated procedure so as to produce useful information for its users. Right, let's move on to second part. In this part, I will explain about computer elements. Computer consists of three main elements, among others. 1. Hardware, which consists of processor, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and CPU. 2. Software. Software is the operating system as well as various applications that are included in the hardware and work according to instructions from the users. And 3. Computer users or brainware are computer users or operators. Okay, let's move on to third part. In this part, I will talk about computer function. 1. Data input. Computer can receive information or data from other sources. The data is received through activity and on the keyboard, mouse, from another computer or other device. 2. Data processing. One of the main functions of a computer is to process data so that it produces output, which is in the form of information. 3. Data output. Produce output or information after going through the data processing. And 4. Data storage and movement. Computer can also serve as a place to store data so that it can be found and reused easily and move data from one computer to another. Let's do my next point in fourth part. In this part, I will explain about computer component. 1. Input component. Input component is a hardware component that has the function of giving orders for various tasks to be given to the computer. For example, keyboard and mouse. 2. Process component. This component has a function to process data or process commands given by brainware, which are then displayed on the output component. For example, a processor. And 3. Output component. Output component, a component that has a function to display information from commands that have been processed by the computer. For example, monitors and printers. Okay, and finally, part I will explain about the type of computer. 1. Type 1 is a portable computer. A type of computer that is easy to carry anywhere, where its use is for research purpose in the field and moving around. This type of computer is less popular because it tends to be heavy and larger than laptop in general. 2. Desktop computer. Computer on the table. This computer has a separate CPU from the monitor and keyboard. 3. Palm-top computer. Computer that is small and can be grabbed. This type of computer has been very rarely used since the invention of the smartphone. 4. Notebook. Notebook, a type of laptop but with a thinner size. Generally widely used by students, teachers, and researchers who need a computer device that is compact and lightweight. 5. Handbook. Handbook is a type of notebook whose size is smaller than a notebook in general. Generally, handbooks have processors with low specification. And 6. Laptop computer. Type of computer that can be placed on the lap of the user. Laptop have a built-in CPU, monitor, and keyboard that are easy to carry around. Okay, does anyone have any question? I will be happy to answer your question now. Okay, if you have any question, please don't shy to ask. If there are no question, I will end this presentation. Well, that is it from me. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.